So hey everyone, welcome to our tutorial on mastering date functions in MP script. So let's get started. My previous video, we are go through about the current date and add and subtract date and time functions. So now we are in this video we are explore how to find the difference between two dates and format dates for different regions. So let's dive in. So first of all, we are finding the difference between two dates. So here, let's see, you are imagine you are running a campaign for an upcoming event and you want to show subscribers or how many days are left. That's where the date difference functions comes in handy. So here is some date functions. Here we are going to write the date functions, which is different date functions, so which is date different, and we are all the functions is all about the same in date and time functions in MP script. So here is starting is different, so this is easy, and if you are learn carefully, then it's easy follow. So here see, here date different, and here we are going to the time 15 to 2025, and now we are going to the done editing and going to preview the test, and then we are see here what is the difference in here. So here I think there is some issues. I'm write that now, so here is spelling mistakes, so sorry. So here see, here is the number of difference two day differences 17, so it is our output. So in the this functions calculate the number of days between today and February 15th. So the today is 29th and February 15th, so there is a 17 days different. So the d parameter specify that we want the difference in days. So if we want, I'll give you the any tips, so you can also calculate differences in month or year, so like this. So you have to only replace the d in m or y as the replacement of month or year. So now we are formatting dates for different reasons. So here not all users prefer the same date format. Some prefer a long form date, while other want a numeric format. You can easily customize the using format date. So here is the code, MP script code, this is the simple code format date now, and then we are going to the mmm and ddyy, which is the date format. Then going to the done editing and go to the preview section, and here we can see today is 29th January and 2025. This is the simple format date. But if we want to a numeric format, modify the format string like this, if we are going to the functions, and then copy the same function of the above format date, and then paste here, and yeah, so here only we have to do replace the only two times mmm, and we are going to write this slash with the slash. So with this flexibility, you can personalize email based on regional preferences also. So here you can see done editing, preview and test, and you can see here this is the numeric format. So this is all about the format and different functions. So this is all about the functions of so, and that is now you know how to calculate the differences and format dates in MP script. Try these functions in your next campaign. So thank you so much for this, and this script provides the structured engaging videos with code is nice and a real world application. So thank you so much.